Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete contacts on Viber. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the bottom of your screen where you'll see several navigation options. Tap on Calls to access your calling interface. This section is where Viber organizes all your communication features, including your contact list. Once you're in the Calls section, look at the top of your screen and make sure you're viewing the Contacts tab. This ensures you're seeing your full contact list rather than recent calls or other sections. Being in the right tab is crucial because it gives you access to all the contacts stored in your Viber account. Now scroll through your contact list and find the specific contact you want to remove. Take your time here to make sure you're selecting the right person, as you want to avoid accidentally deleting the wrong contact from your list. Once you've located the contact, press and hold your finger on that contact's name. This action will trigger a menu with additional options for managing this contact. Holding down is the key gesture that unlocks these management features in Viber. From the menu that appears, tap on Delete. This option allows you to remove the contact entirely from your Viber account. It's a straightforward action, but Viber wants to make sure you're certain about this decision. After tapping Delete, a confirmation message will appear on your screen. This is Viber's way of double-checking that you really want to proceed with removing this contact. It's an important safety feature that prevents accidental deletions. To finalize the removal, tap Delete one more time in the confirmation prompt. This confirms your decision and permanently removes the contact from your Viber contact list. The contact will no longer appear in your Calls or Contacts section. And that's it. You've successfully removed the contact from Viber. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.